Hey, welcome back to my channel.
Replaced remote control compatible for Pioneer VSX. This is a high-quality, new replacement remote.it compatibles for Pioneer VSX 300, KAXD 7531 VSX 523 VSX 821, KVSX 1124 Home Theater AV Audio Video Receiver System. Put your batteries into work.it. Sold with money-back guarantee, hassle-free return, 30 days quality warranty. Any problem, please kindly email us. High-quality, brand-new replacement remote for Pioneer Home Theater AV Receiver. Check before shipping, hassle-free return, 30 days quality warranty, refund unconditionally. Pre-programmed, no programming needed. Package contain, one remote only, batteries and instruction are not included. Standard shipping, almost 6 to 16 days to arrive.
Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.